How to change Netflix payment method. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change the Netflix payment method, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to change your Netflix payment method, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open your browser. Remember that I'm talking about your browser, whether you're on PC or mobile doesn't really matter. I'm not talking about the app because the application has very limited features. Once you're on the browser, what you want to do is go to netflix.com and then make sure that you're signed into the account. Then what you want to do is just tap the three lines option from the top left hand side and then just go to this option known as account. Once you go to this account option over here, you're going to be able to land on this page, and once you're on this page, what you want to do is you want to scroll over here. You'll find manage payment info and then just tap on it. One thing you have to understand is that to change the Netflix payment method or to remove, you just need to add another payment method first. You cannot directly edit the current one. So what you want to do is first you want to just tap the add payment method option. Once you've added a new payment method such as your credit or debit card or maybe even your PayPal account, you can go ahead and add them respectively and then save the changes. Once you've added this new payment method, what you want to do is you want to come back, and once you come back to this page, you can simply go ahead and then basically remove the old payment method, which is this payment method over here. And to remove it, you'll find the edit button. When you tap the edit button over here, you'll find the option to remove this payment method respectively. This is the only way that you can change the Netflix payment method. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.